I got it.
Put it out with the paper.
I'll smother it with a breathing tissue.
Okay, look, can you imagine if somebody came out and saw what we were doing? We don't get in trouble.
This?
Like, you guys in the show, we're just the oldest and you should know that.
I'm supposed to be the small one. I'm drunk at 14.
Okay, well, I'm going to bed.
Anymore.
They were laughing at us.
Don't wake up Hank Hale.
Lucas,
don't put the bottle in the fire.
He comes out of nowhere.
Hey, having fun. Like baby grenades.
Shut up.
Like baby grenades.
Dude, yeah, they are. I'm gonna make one or kill it.
Lucas,
I'm gonna.
your shoulder.
Lucas is so good at betting.
No, it's mine. I'll light you on fire. It's mine.
If you put some hand sanitizer on the ground, you could light it on fire.
Do it.
Not the bottle.
Do it.
Not the bottle. Not the bottle.
Molotov baby
Put it in
cocktail.
the fire.
Hold on, let me drench this sucker.
Lucas,
It's
just,
a Molotov baby
lay
cocktail.
next to the cheese puff on like the ground. And see.
Wait, I got it. Hold on.
Wait till it dries, you guys.